Hey folks, this is Kevin Deal with Romeo Music. I'm the manager of integrated systems, and I just want to briefly talk to you about our band hall systems that we put together. This, of course, will work in band halls, choir halls, um, string ensemble rooms. And what we're going to focus on today is the Danley system that we're starting to install in band halls across the country. It consists of two Danley SM100 speakers and a Danley TH Mini subwoofer. So the SM100, it's a synergy horn, and the 100 just stands for the fact that it disperses sound at 100 degrees. Conical, which just means in a cone, if you can imagine a cone distributing sound at 100 degrees, that's what it's doing. The reason we chose this particular box is because band halls are typically wider than they are long, and so we wanted something that covered a wide pickup pattern but didn't necessarily project too far because the band hall's not that deep. They're typically 40 or 50 feet deep. So when you look at our designs, and we do offer design services, you'll see what kind of looks like a weather radar with a bunch of different colors on it. And all that means is that it's dispersing sound evenly across the room so that everybody sitting in different parts of the room has an equal listening experience. Whether that's music reproduction or speech reproduction, it produces incredible fidelity and incredible intelligibility. So the Danley horn, as I said, it has incredible pattern control and incredible volume. We love using that in some of the medium-sized to larger band halls. For smaller band halls, we'll go with its little brother, which is the Danley Go-To 8CX. I often will use that in a violin ensemble room or even a choir hall. And the subwoofer is optional in those particular rooms. If you need that extra low end, we can always put that in there. And of course, all of our designs are custom based on the room and the needs of the band director. So thanks for checking out this video. We love it when our clients tell us they want to see more content from us. So please hit the subscribe button, and that way we can keep you informed on all the latest and greatest from Romeo Music. Thanks, and have a great day.